Hey friends, how are you? Today we are going to make a pot with some cactus in it. So let's get started. We are going to make a straight line. Under that, we are going to make another straight line about the same length. And we are going to connect those two lines. Now underneath, not quite as long as this first line, we are going to make another line. And we are going to connect the edge of this rectangle to your line, the edge of this rectangle to your line. And then you can put a little design inside the bottom part. I think I'm just going to put a curved line and maybe a circle with a dot in it. Now let's go back up to the top part of our paper and we're going to make a couple of little cactus plants. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to make some flowers because there are some species that have flowers. So I'm going to make just some flowers that look like this. So circle, circle, dot in the middle. And then maybe one here. They almost look like daisies. So you're doing circle, circle, dot with some petals around. Now we are going to make our cactus. So we're going to come straight up and curve down. We are going to come straight up and curve down, just like that. Now cactus, they can get kind of prickly. So we are going to put some spines on our cactus, whatever you think looks good. I am just going to fill this cactus in just like that. Oh, I think that looks so nice. Okay, same with this one. So you're basically just making small lines going all the way down. There you go. There's your cactus. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.